In what form should a company carry inventory, raw material, semi-finished or finished goods, and where? In the previous video, we saw that a company can divide its entire product range into two parts. One part comprising those products for which necessary condition is satisfied, and the other part comprising those products for which necessary condition is not satisfied. Now we will take a look at how to deal with this other part. Suppose manufacturing location is at one place and customer is at some other place. For a particular product, window of opportunity is say 12 days. Procurement lead time is 15 days, manufacturing lead time is 7 days, and transportation lead time is 4 days. In that case, delivery lead time will be 15 plus 7 plus 4 equals 26 days, which is greater than 12. The company will be forced to shorten it to less than 12 days, otherwise it will not be able to sell anything. One way of shortening delivery lead time is by reducing any of the components that it is made up of. In most cases, this way of shortening takes a lot of time and perhaps might increase costs. Why? Because it involves actions such as talking to existing suppliers to deliver faster, developing new suppliers, increasing productivity on shop floor, doing automation in production, using air freight instead of sea freight, etc. Most of these actions are not quick fixes. It takes time and some of these cost lot of money. Another way of shortening delivery lead time is to carry inventory. If the company carries raw material inventory, then to supply against some order, it will not have to start from buying material. It can start manufacturing immediately using the material in stock. Thus, procurement lead time of 15 days will be eliminated from delivery lead time. In that case, delivery lead time will be manufacturing lead time plus transportation lead time, which is only 11 days, which is less than 12. Now the company will have a chance to sell. What if the window of opportunity is 8 days instead of 12? In that case, it will not be enough to carry raw material inventory. Delivery lead time will have to be reduced further. How? Let us see. Manufacturing lead time of 7 days is the time taken to convert raw material into finished goods ready for dispatch. In many cases, it involves several steps of processing. Carrying inventory of semi-finished goods can help to reduce lead time further. For example, if the company carries stock of material in semi-finished condition reached after 4 days of processing, then it will need only 3 more days of processing to convert to finished goods. Thus, delivery lead time will be 3 days of manufacturing plus 4 days of transport equals 7 days, which is less than 8. What if the window of opportunity is 4 instead of 8? In that case, the company will have to carry finished goods inventory at plant ready for dispatch so that delivery lead time will be 4 days. And if the window of opportunity is 2 instead of 4, in that case, it will not be enough to carry finished goods inventory at plant. It will have to be transported to some intermediate location such as a regional warehouse or a distributor from where it can reach point of sale within 2 days. For products which customers expect to be available off the shelf, window of opportunity is 0 days, which means product has to be available at point of sale before a customer walks in to buy. It is important to note that as window of opportunity reduces, it is required to move inventory closer and closer to point of sale in order to avoid loss of sales opportunities. Customers can be spread out in a large area. Thus, servicing all of them when window of opportunity is 0 involves a lot of investment in buying, manufacturing, and storing inventory. This creates a conflict. On one side, the company would not like to lose sales opportunities, but on the other side, it would like to keep investment low. Conventional actions taken by companies to do this balancing act actually increase investment, cause profit leakage, and reduce return on investment for all parties involved, that is, company, distributors, and retailers. What are these conventional actions? How do they cause increase in investment and profit leakage? And how can these leakages be stopped so as to get a huge increase in return on investment? We will see in videos to follow.